What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mid-Alabama Bassin. And that is one rod tube. And that is a box.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
What are we going to be unboxing today? Probably none of you are wondering that. So let's get into the video. Alright, so we have a Tackle Warehouse package that we're going to be opening up. Let's see what we got here. Which I know it's in here. Again, you guys, it's going to be a little bit of a surprise for y'all. I'm getting very excited to open this up. Alright, so Tackle Warehouse sticker. That's the first thing I got because I purchased something more than $50, I think is what it was. If you purchase something more than $50, they give you a free sticker. It's pretty cool. Definitely will be going somewhere. And this is what we got. Now, Lew's. Now, this is a Lew's Mock Crush, if you guys are wondering. Let's go ahead and get everything open. Of course, you have all your components, everything in the Lew's, you know, all that. We don't need that. Alright, let's get into the bait caster. Oh, yeah. That is one reel right there. Oh, yes. Oh, I love the colors on that reel. That is awesome. That bright orange and black, and it's so smooth. So smooth. Alright, guys, so let's talk about this reel. So, number one, it can hold 110 yards of 12-pound line. It can hold plenty of line for you to cast very long distances. It has 10 ball bearings. Its max drag is 20 pounds, so that's kind of why I got this for a heavy setup. This is going to be for, you know, heavy rods, my frogs, you know, flipping and stuff. 30-inch turn, or 30-inch, that's how much it picks up line every turn. So that would be one turn right there. It's a 7:5 to 1 gear ratio, and it's 7.5 ounces. But just look at those colors on that bait caster right there. That is just beautiful. Of course, orange, and I love orange and greens. They're by far my favorite. And that is just a good looking reel right there. You know, of course, your tension knob and stuff down here. Love how it clicks, lets me know. Kind of basically let me know where I'm at. And, you know, this is going to be a great reel. I can already tell. Can't wait to get out on there on the water and actually start using this bad boy. Whoa. This is a big rod tube. Alrighty, we finally got this thing out of the package. So, as I was saying, I'm moving to a new brand of rods, and that would be Daiwa. Daiwa is a very good rod company, and I've loved their rods so far. So this ain't my first one, but this would be my second Daiwa Tatula. This is a Tatula XT specifically, and let's just go ahead and take a look at this rod. So what this is a Daiwa Tatula XT, and it is a 7'3" heavy. So going along with the heavy, we'll go with that reel, because I kind of picked the heavy duty reel for this rod, and this is a good looking rod. It's got a lot of tip. Oh yeah, that is going to be a good frogging and flipping rod. go ahead and get this off real quick. There it goes. Yeah, as I was saying, Daiwa Tatula XT is what I'm moving to. This is what all my rods are going to be like. I have another rod in here. It is a Daiwa Tatula XT with a Lose Mach 2. It's the same thing as the Crush. Couple little different things. The Crush is a little bit more pricey, not too much, about $10 more, but still good looking rod. And let's go ahead and pair it up with the Lose Mach Crush. So yeah, guys, that is my combo. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you did enjoy, leave a like, and if you would like for me to keep on doing it, leave a comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned to my channel, and see you guys next time.